Say dada. 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 Dada.
And you may be surprised how they let people know. They announced it on Twitter.
Yeah. Say dada.
Jenny McCarthy. They announced their breakup on Twitter.
Well, it was on Twitter, I guess.
Dada.
Mary and Jenny McCarthy, after 5 years together as boyfriend and girlfriend, have decided to split it up. Yeah.
Jim
Dada.
first. Jenny and I just ended
Yeah, I love you too. Mwah.
the many blessings we
Say mama.
I wish her the very best.
Mama.
Then a few minutes later, Jim
Mum,
responded. I'm so grateful for the years Jim and
Mum,
I had
mum.
together. I will always keep Jim as a leading man in my
And I am dada. Say mama.
His troubled son Cameron faces at least
Say
10 years
mama.
in prison for dealing crystal meth, and his famous
Say
family
mama.
is begging the
Mama.
judge for mercy. Catherine Zeta-Jones
Mama.
writes in a handwritten statement, my stepson is a caring,
Mama.
worthy human being, but nevertheless, the disease that for years
That's dada. That's me.
did
Say
take over
mama.
again. And Cameron's 93-year-old grandfather, screenwriter Kirk
Say
Douglas,
mama.
says, I'm convinced that Cameron could be a person that cares
Mama.
for others. I hope I can see that before I die.
Mama.
Cameron Douglas, who had a previous drug arrest, pled guilty to possession
Mama.
of half a pound of meth, which can carry a sentence of life in prison.
I love you too.